Last Friday, the crypto market saw its biggest liquidation in the history. Approx $20 billion was wiped out instantly within just few hours. And the most shocking thing is that 30% of the market already got recovered in the next few hours only. What I'm trying to say is that this was a full clear manipulation, liquidity hunting, or you can say liquidity trapping, and I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. So let me just share with you guys what exactly happened. In my past couple of crypto videos, I already told you that Bitcoin made a new all-time high. Yes, but this is a very important level of resistance, and the price of Bitcoin can dump towards the downside heavily, and I already warned you guys, and exactly the same thing happened on last Friday, that is on 10th of October. The price of Bitcoin fell from $121,000 all the way down till $100,000 approx. As you can clearly see, a very huge dump from here to here, 17% dump, and this is nothing. Because if I show you the altcoins, look at Cardano. The price of Cardano dumped all the way down till 66%, minus 66% instantly, and on the same day, in just few hours, it also got recovered. So this is what clear manipulation looks like. This is what liquidity hunting looks like. The price will fall instantly or will pump instantly and will again go towards the opposite direction instantly. It's just like the price gets an impulsive move and boom, again reversal. So why do you think this happens? Like, I mean, this is not natural for any asset to move like this. So why it happens? It's obviously clear, to hunt the people, because many people were long here and their stop loss was somewhat over here, here or here, max to max, and as soon as the price dumped here quickly, everyone got liquidated. There was a lot of money there, a lot of liquidity. Institutions and big whales entered over here, and then everyone got trapped, and instantly the price again pumped towards the upside because the whales and institutions bought here. That's why you can see a wick here rather than a body, and that's how the trapping works. I mean, all the smart money right now, their average entry price is somewhat over here, right over here, and now the price of crypto will rise from here, whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana or any other crypto. Now it will pump. Why? Because most of the people are now in fear. They are either not trading crypto or they are going short on crypto, selling crypto, and that's how you trap them. Now the price will again go towards the upside. So this is how the whole trading game works. Stocks, same thing happen. Crypto, same thing happen. Whether it is stock and crypto is very easy because crypto is decentralized. Anyone can scam, anyone can do any shady things, and you can get away with it very easily. Also, if you look at my tweet, I did couple of tweets on that same day, because see, you can read all of these tweets. You can go on to my Twitter, link is in the description below, and you can read all the tweets. But here I am just telling you guys that many people think that this dump happened because of Trump, because of his tariffs. Well, no, that's not the answer, because when Trump was going to announce the tariff news on China, the market already started to dump very heavily. Like, you can clearly say that literally days ago the market already started to dump. So I won't say this any insider trading or because of Trump. Yeah, insider trading can happen, but because of Trump news the market is dumping, no. Now many people are saying that because centralized exchanges. Well, to be quite honest, yes, I believe that this dump happened because of centralized exchanges, because of market manipulators, market makers especially, and big institutions. The Trump tariff news was just a stepping stone for them, and the real main dump, I believe that this happened because of the main centralized exchanges that are liquidating you, trapping you guys. That is what I think, that the dump actually happened because of the big whales, market manipulation. All of this was already planned a lot, and that was the main reason behind the dump. And the Trump tariff news was just a stepping stone, just to, I would say, blame him. But this time it's not because of the tariff, because he has already published a lot of news, he has said a lot of news about tariffs in the past, and this type of dump never happened, like 80% loss in just one go. This did not happen obviously earlier. So this is obviously a clear manipulation. You can ask any trader if he sees this type of candle or the candles I did showed you in the beginning of the video, then he will obviously say it is a manipulation. And in crypto it is very easy to manipulate, and that's what exactly happened. And that's why there was a very big liquidation. $20 billion approx was liquidated. So there are a lot of things. You can visit my Twitter. I would advise you guys to definitely visit my Twitter. Link is in the description below, so that you can read all the tweets I did on Friday and Saturday, that is on 10th and 11th of October. So you can see what actually happened and what I believe happened. And I always say that don't follow the crowd, don't follow all the hype news. Use your own brain, use your common sense, and always do critical thinking and ask questions at every single time. Do not believe in any influencer or any of these celebrities. They are just here to make money by ripping you off. It's clear and simple as that. Now, talking about what I am expecting this week, well, I'll be really honest. The next coming weeks the crypto market can pump a little bit. Why? Because whenever these type of manipulations happen, whenever these type of liquidity hunting events happen, the price goes towards the opposite direction quickly. Meaning, as you can clearly see, the price dumped here, liquidated all the long traders, and all of them got wrecked. Smart people entered here only at the bottom. That's why you see a wick over here, because when the price of BTC was at $100,000 and $201,000, smart people entered a lot of capital in the market, and they all went long. They all bought spot on Bitcoin. And as you can clearly see, this huge wick has been made. So obviously now, if the smart money is long, then obviously the price of crypto in the next few weeks will pump a little bit towards the upside. Because see, 99% of the retailers are in fear. Either they are not trading or they are in fear and going short. And now the price, as I said, will pump towards the upside most probably. And now the short traders will also get wrecked over here. Am I taking any trade over here? Absolutely not. And one more thing. Now many of you people will be thinking that did I enter or did I got any advantage of this whole event, and did I made any money? The answer is no. Why? Because this event happened in the late night, approx 2 to 3 a.m. And see, I'll be really honest with you guys. If you look at the world map over here, America is on one side, the rest whole world is on the other side. You can take Asia, Europe, Africa, Middle East, all of them are on one side. So this means that if there is night in America, there will be day in all over the world. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that most of the countries will be in the daylight if it is night in America, and if it is day in America, then most of the countries will be having a night. So that's exactly what happened. This whole dump, this whole manipulation was well planned, and it was done at a time when whole world was sleeping, so that nobody knows that this type of dump can happen. And that's why most of these dumps happen on Friday or on Monday only. Why? Because on Friday it happens because it is, after that it's just weekend and the volume will be less, liquidity will be less. The best time to liquidate and trap all the retailers is on Friday or on Monday. This is the best time. That's why you will see, whether it is stock market, whether it is crypto, you will see that the most amount of dumps come on Friday and on Monday. So that's what exactly happened here also. And yeah, I mean, do read my tweets. I did share a lot of information over there, and this is a video where I'm explaining you guys what I think happened, and I hope you did not got trapped over here. And to be quite honest, I will not recommend you guys trading right now, because the market is moving rapidly towards the up and down side. And what I'm trying to say over here is, so I'm on the Cardano's chart, and over here I want to show you guys something. So I'm just taking Cardano for example. You can take any crypto. Before this massive dump over here, before this massive dump, the price of Cardano was moving normally. As you can see, this one big move from here to here is 2.5%, right? But now if I come over here after the dump, if you look closely, a normal move just from here to here is 3%. What I'm trying to say is, right now the market, especially the altcoins, heavily faced a dump towards the downside when this whole event, mass liquidation event happened, and now they are recovering again. As I said, they are pumping towards the upside. So be cautious while trading, because a small move means a very good return. What I'm trying to say is, if the price of Cardano pumps from here a little bit or dumps here a little bit, percent it moves will be different as compared to the pre-liquidation event. What I'm trying to say is that even a small pump and dump in the price can result in a rapid movement in your PNL. So either you can get a loss quickly or you can get a profit also quickly. So that's what I'm trying to say in easy words, that be cautious right now and don't trade any altcoins, I would say. But obviously nothing of this is financial advice, it's up to you. I'm just recommending what I think. Personally, I'm not taking any trade in Solana or Ethereum or Bitcoin right now. I will wait at least a 1 week for the market to cool down a little bit, for the price to pump a little bit, so that this unknown and uncertain volatility can go away from the market and it can restore again normally. I know it will take some time, but that's what I'm doing right now. But if I see any trade on Ethereum or on Solana, then I will definitely enter in that trade. I will make a video of that as well if I find a good opportunity as well, but again it will be very risky, so I'll be really cautious. Yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand what actually happened on Friday. Actually on Friday's night, what happened in the crypto market, it was a mass liquidation hunting event. I believe it happened because of the centralized exchanges, market makers, and all of the big players who had a lot of cash that can move the markets. They did it, and Trump's tariff news is just a stepping stone for them. It's just a bait, or I could say scapegoat. And the main reason behind this dump is definitely manipulation, because candle says everything. You can see the charts never lie. You can see what actually happened. And a lot of people are right now questioning Binance also, because on Binance the BNB coin got unpegged, or I would say depegged, that's the correct English, or many crypto or altcoins on Binance faced a heavy dump as compared to other exchanges. So maybe it can be a manipulation from Binance also, who knows. But yeah, that's what I believe. I'm 100% sure this is a manipulation, and it happened because of the big institutions and the people with big liquidity to hunt you guys. So I hope you did not got trapped over here and you guys traded with caution. And that's why I always say to use a stop loss as well, because or else you will just get liquidated in just one go, like boom and gone. So it is better to have a stop loss as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm personally not taking any trade right now. I'll wait for the market to cool off, to restore again normally as it was earlier. And that's pretty much it. Do follow me on my Twitter and do read my tweets as well. On Friday you will understand plethora of knowledge. You will gain what actually happened. Link of it is in the description. If you want to trade any crypto or just buy and sell, you can do that on Bybit, Binance or KuCoin or any exchange you want. These are all centralized exchanges. If you want to use, you can. No pressure promotion. Link of them are in the description below as well. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.